Labs that separate PCOS versus thyroid. These are the common mistakes. Normal daw labs mo, ba't kulang ang test? For PCOS, metabolic plus hormonal root. What are the key labs? Fasting insulin, not just glucose, detects insulin resistance early. HbA1c, average sugar levels, long-term blood sugar pattern. Lipid panel, that's cholesterol, metabolic health indicator. LH, FSH ratio, hormonal balance marker. Pelvic ultrasound to check ovarian cyst. For thyroid, metabolism control. Key labs, TSH or thyroid stimulating hormone, first signal if thyroid is off. Free T3 and free T4, actual thyroid hormone levels. PPO antibodies, checks for autoimmune like Hashimoto's. Why this matters? Because PCOS equals insulin plus hormonal imbalance, while thyroid equals metabolism slowdown. But they can happen together as if isa lang ang chinecheck. Half lang ang nakikita. Labs don't create fear, they create control. This is Nurse Verlaine saying, symptoms are signals, early detection is self-respect, test, don't guess, future you is watching.